Ako lang, kami lang, kayo lang. What is lang? Stick around and find out. Kumusta po kayo? Welcome back. We are continuing our discussion on a huge chapter on the Tagalog ENCLITIC particles. These are monosyllabic and duosyllabic words that grammatically connect two words that convey different nuances and meanings. If you've been watching my videos since episode 151 until the previous one, you'd know that enclitic particles are hard to directly translate to English and we can only approximate what they mean. They have multiple meanings depending on the context. They are not conjugated in the past, present, and future, and their time reference is implied in the context. They also add flavor to the context of a phrase or sentence. And sometimes, vocal tones can change the context of an enclitic particle. If you haven't seen the past videos, do check them out. The links are in the description box down below. In this video, we will focus on understanding the Tagalog enclitic particle, lang. The enclitic particle lang is also an adverb which is the Tagalog equivalent to the English only or just. We use this a lot in our lessons, particularly in our lessons on verbs. Aside from that, it is used in several instances, including when expressing little value of something, limiting an action to a specific subject, limiting possession to a specific object, entrusting something to someone, expressing a narrow focus of time, expressing a narrow focus of location, and expressing a narrow focus of action. I will provide sample phrases for each. So, tara! Simulan na natin. Let's begin. Let's begin with simple sample phrases on expressing little value of something. Here goes. Kaunti lang, just a few. Piso lang, just 1 peso. Mura lang, it's cheap, it's affordable. Expressing little value can also be directed to a person. Like for example, mahirap lang ako, I am just a poor person. Elementarya lang ang natapos ko. I only finished elementary school. Lang can also be used to belittle a person. Trigger warning on the following examples. I am by no means endorsing the following statements. They are for educational purposes only. I hope that's clear. Here goes. Bata ka lang. You are just a child. Babae ka lang. You are just a woman. Sampid ka lang. You are just a freeloader. Got it? Now that we know what they mean, you can now start not using them because they are offensive. All right? Let's move on to another set of examples. This time on limiting an action to a specific subject. Here are some examples. Ako lang. It's just me. Ako lang ang gagawa. Only I who will do it. Or, I alone will do it. Ikaw lang. It's just you. Ikaw lang ang mauuna. Only you who will go first. Or, you alone will go first. Tayo lang. It's just us. Tayo lang ang magsasalita. Only us who will speak. We alone will speak. Kami lang. It's just us. Kami lang ang aalis. Only us who will leave. We alone will leave. Siya lang. It's just him or her. Siya lang ang susubok. Only he or she will try. He or she alone will try. Sila lang. It's just them. Sila lang ang kakanta. Only them who will sing. They alone will sing. Ayos ba? Now, adding the preposition sa completely changes the context in our examples on limiting possession to a specific object. But before we do that, please be sure that you are subscribed by clicking on the subscribe button and the bell notification button so you'd be updated of new videos. All right? Now, on to our examples. Sa akin lang. It's just for me. Sa akin lang ito. This is just for me. This is mine alone. Sa iyo lang. It's just for you. Sa iyo lang iyan. That is just for you. That is yours alone. Sa atin lang. It's just for us. Sa atin lang iyon. That over there is just for us. That over there is ours alone. Sa amin lang. It's just for us. Sa amin lang ang bahay. The house is just for us. The house is ours alone. Sa kaniya lang. It's just for him or her. Sa kaniya lang ang regalo. The gift is just for him or her. The gift is his or hers alone. Sa kanila lang. It's just for them. Sa kanila lang ang lupa. The land is just for them. The land is theirs alone. Cool? This time, let's add the preposition nasa, which indicates the location of an object. Combining nasa with personal pronouns and with the particle lang conveys entrusting something to someone. Have a listen to this. Nasa akin lang ito. This is just with me. Don't worry about it. Nasa iyo lang iyan. That is just with you. Take care of that for a while. Nasa atin lang iyon. That over there is just with us. We'll take care of it. Nasa amin lang ang kotse. The car is just with us. Don't worry about it. Nasa kaniya lang ang mga susi. The keys are just with him or her. Don't worry about them. Nasa kanila lang ang libro. The book is just with them. Don't worry about it. I hope you're getting a sense on how to use the particle lang and how it adds texture into a phrase. We will continue with more examples on the other uses in part 2 of our lesson on the Tagalog enclitic particle lang. I hope you'll catch that, and please do leave a like because that will help in growing this channel. Cool? I will see you again soon. Maraming salamat po at hanggang sa susunod.